growth of the private sector investment has been identified as one of the major developments that needs to take place to enable Kenya achieve the Big Four agenda. At the launch of the 17th edition of the Kenya Economic Update by the World Bank, Carole Kariuki, the Chief Executive Officer of the Kenya Private Sector Alliance, called on the government to create a predictable environment for investors. Now here's Alex Mwangi with some of the highlights.
The World Bank projects that Kenya's economy will grow by 5.5% this year, 0.7 percentage points below the 6.2% growth predicted by the Central Bank of Kenya. Kenya's growth level over the last decade, while impressive when compared to peer countries, has not gone deep to tackle the challenge of poverty.
However, if you start comparing poverty levels in Kenya compared to, for example, other lower middle income countries, then you're going to realize that Kenya still has a lot of space for improvement to get to a similar level of poverty as usually lower middle income countries have.
Normally in a sort of a strong, robust, healthy economy, you'd want to see, as government investment is picking up, you want to see some complementarity with private investment, and so it also picking up. So this is one area of worry.
The Black Panther movie is inspiring a whole new generation to achieve greatness in their lives, even as it continues its dizzying ascent of sales revenues globally. Such is the magnitude of its impact that it has now found its way into the conversation at no less than a World Bank forum.
I still haven't forgotten the Wakanda analogy, because in Wakanda, it was all about vibranium. So for the case of Kenya, what is Kenya's vibranium? And I really think that the policies are the vibranium that can sort of stimulate the economy.
The Kenya Private Sector Alliance says the extended election season last year gave a beating to the private sector.
Then of course, the interest caps didn't help. What we thought would unlock, especially funding for the SMEs, didn't happen.
There seems to be consensus from both government and private sector that the interest rate caps have been detrimental to the economy. How soon the rate cap will be reviewed is anyone's guess. Alex Mwangi, NTV.